Adventurers, some of you have concerns. Some of you have expressed them to me. Some of you have just been wondering it and haven't said anything. But sometimes the question does come up. Beard oil. Does it have bad side effects?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Okay, so to start, let's talk about beard oil. The main purpose of beard oil: moisturize, hydrate the skin so it promotes healthy growth for your facial hair. That is something that I hope that you all know. That's why you're using the products. But for the main question that we have today, does beard oil have negative side effects? Well, a short answer for that is possibly. We're not going to say yes, because obviously we want you guys to use these products. We think that it does promote healthy growth, but this is a trial, case-by-case basis. Sometimes there could be a negative side effects. Most commonly, one of the problems that some adventurers might face when they go to use beard oil or beard balm or anything that has the oil in it or the fragrances may be that you might have an allergy problem to the product that you are using. The fragrances or the oils themselves may not be so accepting onto your skin. So some of the things that you might be experiencing there would be redness of the skin, itchiness, might even appear as a rash. Now, full disclosure, I have had that occasionally. I will go to use a balm or an oil, and when I put it on my skin, thinking that everything's going to be fine, well, I start to get itchy. Now, it's not an emergency. I splash some water on my face and wash the product out. Not a huge deal. But I do realize that maybe this product I shouldn't be using. A good way to test to see if this product is good for you and you're not going to have an allergic reaction to is take a couple of drops, put it on your hands, rub it together, and maybe put it on your forearm, put it on your elbow. Just a patch of area that's not your facial hair. Something easy so you can wash it off. If there's redness, itchiness, any kind of rash, then probably don't use it. Wash it off. Sorry that you are unable to use that product, whether it's our products or other companies. But if everything is fine, you're not feeling itchy or doesn't look red, then you're good to go. In addition to possibly having an allergic reaction, there's also the cases where it could be user error. I know, you don't want to hear that. User error. It's not me, it's going to be the product's fault. Well, let's just be honest. Sometimes you adventurers will put too much oil onto your beard or onto your skin. This can lead to clogged pores. This can lead to overly greasy facial hair. So if you're noticing that that's a trend for you, that you're getting acne, or you go to kiss a loved one and now their face is greasy, maybe think about how much you are putting on. Remember, a lot of these products need to be used in moderation. They might not have a bad allergic reaction for you, but if you're not using them correctly, they're not going to provide the intended effect of the product. So to summarize, beard oil, does it have negative effects? Sometimes. We're going to be honest about that some adventurers will have negative effects. There can be allergies, there can be user error. So we encourage you to do a little bit of research. Don't just go rushing in, putting a whole bunch on your face. That would be, if you are allergic and you put a whole bunch in your beard, that might not be a very pleasant story to tell. Or it might be a funny one. Adventurers, we do hope that this video was helpful to you. We're hoping that in the future, if you leave a comment for us, you can tell us about maybe a time that you did notice some redness and you're like, hey, this video helped me out, so I know not to use these certain products, this specific kind of oil. If you liked this video, go ahead and leave a like. Please also leave a comment and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. If you go to buy any of our products from our store, please be sure to use our discount code YT25 to get 25% off of your purchase. Thank you, adventurers, for all that you do for our community. So may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune and treasure forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.